Good morning, viewers. This is Gann Supremacy from the Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. Today, we are going to do the rerun of the expiry day on the Sensex on 1 minute time frame with our indicator Gann Supremacy version 369. So, this is the indicator. Here, you will have the upper boundary. Here, you will have the lower boundary. This will be the highs forming and the gradual drop as per the lower high formed, and this will be the lower low formation line. When we go up, this will be higher low formation and this will be higher high combination. So as the fall continues, this trend line, which is the trend identification line, will tell you whether the trend is on the downside or upside. So at the start of the day, we will do the replay. Okay, so let us do the replay here by selecting the start. Okay, so this is the start of the day on 1 minute time frame on Sensex. So we'll see earlier that we have already made a series of tops here. Okay, so this is going to be the resistance and the trend will be positive only if we sustained above this blue line. Okay, so this was the first candle of the day. You will see here that it opened a little higher and immediately we came down to form a low. Okay, so we have to see whether we close above the blue color trend line. Okay, so we could not close, we only back tested here. Okay, so from again here there was confirmation that we are going down. So the slope of the blue line is dark blue line is telling you the trend is down. So this was the swing low formed. Okay, at 9:56. Still there is no strength in the trend as the drop is seen on the trend defining line. So if we go above the line, still we can come back to meet the line. Okay. So now the trend has turned flat. Okay. Still it is moving down. So nothing happening on the upside here. And you will see the bottom range is flat and the upper range is getting squeezed. So again we try to move up briefly positive for some time and then the gradual pullback below the trend line again. So let us move the chart ahead. Again there is fall on the trend line. So no strength is happening on the upside. Bottom range is continuing flat and the upper range is getting squeezed. So this is a dynamic indicator which will move and show the range as per the trend, prevailing trend. Hello. Hmm. Good evening. Hmm. Yeah. No. हाँ, चले चले. हाँ. Okay. So again the slope has turned down. Okay. And the upper range is getting squeezed. Okay. So now you will see this is the smallest range of the day formed. Okay. So upside move above the trend lines are getting squeezed. Okay. Let us move ahead till 15:30. Okay. Yeah. So this will complete the range. So you will see the smallest range happening here. Now let there is expansion, little expansion on the downside. Okay. So once we hit the top of the range, and if we are unable to cross this range expansion, then we can see expansion on the downside. You will see the gradual drop on the slope of the blue line. Okay. And this was the swing low formed. And now instead of this line being flat, the upside line is flat. So it is capping the upside. Okay. So now we need to see whether we hit the upper boundary. Okay. We need to see if we met the upper boundary. Still we have not reached the upper boundary. We have made a higher low from the bottom. Yes, now we have hit the upper boundary. Okay. So there is little expansion on the upside and suddenly we are down. Okay. So now bottom is end is getting squeezed and the top line is flat. Okay. Correct. So whenever we hit on the upside and we come down, you have to be cautious on the upside. Whenever hit we hit on the downside and we then you have to be cautious on the downside. So this will help you in getting the now you don't have to draw 10 lines. Okay, these are dynamic trend lines already formed on the chart at the various level. So it will help you to plan your trades with the trend. So that's all from me at Gann Supremacy, and this was a small demonstration on the use of the indicator Gann Supremacy version 369. So this is for intraday traders, 1 minute time frame, smallest time frame available freely on TradingView. Okay, we are using the zigzag plus plus indicator by Dave Lucem, DEVLUCEM, to get the swing highs and lows. So it will define the higher highs and higher lows or lower highs and lower lows to keep you with the trend, and our trend identification line will help you to move along with the trend, and this range will help you to plan your trades, which is the requirement of a trader on any time frame. So this indicator is available on TradingView for all charts, available on TradingView. So you can trade anything, indices, stocks, commodities, cryptos, whatever is available on TradingView, and whatever time frame you are trading with. So you can comfortably plan your trades. So that's all from me here. Thank you for watching it till here. Bye for now.